In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Twitch app on your smartphone. By updating Twitch app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any error or issues that might be associated with your Twitch app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, you need to go ahead and either find this app either through Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app called Play Store. If you tap on it, now you should see a search bar here. Go ahead and search for your app by name, but first make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. However, if you can't see this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate the search bar and then just search for Twitch like that. And now here, if I tap on it, you can see we have the app installed. Here is the Twitch live streaming app, but we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Twitch app. To update, tap on update here, and this will download the latest version of Twitch live streaming app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you'll have the latest version of Twitch live streaming app. Go ahead and open it to start using the latest version of Twitch app. So that's how you can update your Twitch app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.